11th Science, Subject Mathematics and Statistics, Part 1st, Chapter number 1st, Angle and its Measurements. Dear students, we are going to study simple example of angle and its measurements. Some examples of degree measures and radian measures. First, determine which of the following pairs of angles are coterminal. We know that coterminal angle means initial arm and terminal arm are same, but amount of rotation are different. The property of coterminal angle is their difference is integral multiple of 360 degree. We use this result and solve example. Example first, 210 degree minus 150 degree. Second, 360 degree minus 30 degree. Third, minus 180 degree 540 degree. Solution. First, here is we take the difference 210 degree minus 150 degree. Minus plus 210 degree plus 150 degree. Here addition is 360 degree equal to 1 into 360 degree, that is multiple of 360 degree, which is an integral multiple of 360 degree. Therefore, this pair of angles is coterminal. Second example. Here is second. We take subtraction of these two angles, 360 degree minus 30 degree. Minus plus, we get 360 degree plus 30 degree equal to 390 degree, which is not an integral multiple of 360 degree. Therefore, this pair of angles is not coterminal. Third example, minus 180 degree, 540 degree. Take subtraction, minus 180 degree minus 540 degree. Here is equal to minus 720 degree equal to minus 2 multiplied by 360 degree, which is the integral multiple of 360. Integral multiple of 360 degree. Therefore, this pair of angles is coterminal. Example second. Determine which of the following pair of angles are coterminal. First, minus 405 degree, 675 degree. Second, 860 degree, 580 degree. Third, 900 degree minus 900 degree. Solution. We take subtraction of these two angles. Minus 405 degree minus 675 degree equal to, here subtraction is minus 1080 degree equal to minus 3 multiplied by 360 degree, which is integral multiple of 360 degree as multiplied by minus 3. Therefore, this pair of angle is coterminal. Second, 860 degree minus 580 degree equal to 280 degree, which is not an integral multiple of 360 degree. Therefore, this pair of angle is not coterminal. Example third. Take subtraction of these two angles. 900 degree minus, here is minus 900 degree. Minus plus 900 degree plus 900 degree. Addition is 1800 degree equal to, here is 5 multiplied by 360 degree, hence which is an integral multiple of 360 degree. Therefore, this pair of angle is coterminal. Example third. Draw the angles of the following measures and determine their quadrants. First, minus 140 degree, second 250 degree, third 420 degree, fourth 750 degree. Draw the angles. We use protractor. Using protractor, draw the angles and determine their quadrants. Their quadrants determined by its terminal arm. We take first these angles in standard position as vertex is origin and positive x-axis is initial arm. Then their quadrant depends on its terminal arm. Use this result and solve example. First, minus 140 degree is Cartesian coordinate system. Minus 140 degree. Here is sign is negative. Therefore, measure this angle by clockwise direction. It is clockwise direction. It is 90. 90 plus 50, suppose 140 degree. Vertex is origin. Initial arm is positive x-axis and terminal arm is OP. Lies in third quadrant. Since the terminal OP line in third quadrant, therefore the angle is in the third quadrant. It depends on terminal arm. Therefore it lies in third quadrant. Second, 250 degree. Positive. Therefore measure this angle in anti-clockwise direction. Here is 90. Here is 180. 180 plus 70 degree is 250 degree. Therefore take this angle is measure of angle XOP is equal to 250 degree. Here is vertex origin. Initial on a positive x-axis. Therefore angle in standard position. Its quadrant depend on its terminal arm. It is terminal arm. Terminal arm lies in third quadrant. Therefore this angle is in third quadrant. Since the terminal OP line in third quadrant, therefore the angle is in third quadrant. Third, 420 degree. It is complete one rotation of 360 degree. 360 plus 60 is 420 degree. Measure of angle XOP is 420 degree. Vertex origin initial on positive x-axis, therefore angle in standard position. Its terminal arm OP lies in first quadrant. Therefore this angle lies in first quadrant. It depends on its terminal arm. Since the terminal OP line in first quadrant, therefore the angle is in the first quadrant. 750 degree. Using protractor we draw 750 degree measures. First rotation is 360 degree. Again take second rotation, there is 720 degree plus 30. Then this angle is 750 degree. Measure of angle XOP is 750 degree. Vertex origin initial on a positive x-axis and terminal arm is OP. Lies in first quadrant. Therefore angle in first quadrant. Since the terminal OP line in first quadrant, therefore the angle is in the first quadrant. 4. Convert the following degree measure into radian measure. First, 70 degree. Second, minus 120 degree. And third, 1 divided by 4 degree. We know that. To convert into radian measure, multiply this angle by pi divided by 180. We know that. Theta degree equal to theta into pi divided by 180 radian. Therefore, multiply each angle by pi divided by 180. First, 70 degree equal to 70 multiplied by pi divided by 180 in radian. 0 0 cancel. We get 7 pi divided by 18 radian. Second example, minus 120 equal to minus 120 into multiply by pi divided by 180 convert into radian. Simplifying, here 0 0 cancel, 6 into 2 12, 6 into 3 18. Therefore we get minus 2 pi divided by 3 radian. Third example, 1 divided by 4 degree. Convert into radian, 1 by 4 into pi divided by 180 radian. Therefore 1 into pi is pi, 4 into 180 is 720. Therefore pi divided by 720 radian. 5. Convert the following angles in radian. First 85 degree, second 250 degree, third minus 132 degree. We know that 180 degree equal to pi radian, means 1 degree equal to pi divided by 180 radian. To convert degree measure into radian measure, multiply by this angle by pi divided by 180. First 85 degree equal to 85 into pi divided by 180 radian. Simplifying we get 17 pi divided by 36 radian. Second 250 degree equal to 250 into pi divided by 180. Here is 0 0 cancel. We get 25 pi divided by 18 radian. Third example, minus 132 degree equal to minus 132 into pi divided by 180 radian equal to. Simplifying we get minus 11 pi divided by 15 radian. Thank you.